Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is mapping in Spring Boot Java. So mapping in Spring Boot refers to the process of defining the endpoint of URL that are exposed by Spring Boot application to handle incoming HTTP requests. These mappings defined below incoming request should be handled and which method or function should be executed to process the request. In Spring Boot, mapping can be achieved using various annotation provided by the Spring Web MVC framework. The most commonly used notation for mapping are request mapping, get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping, and patch mapping. So firstly, we discuss about request mapping. These annotations is the generic annotation used to map HTTP request to method in a Spring controller. It can be applied at the class level or method level. It allows your specify the URL path, HTTP method, request parameter, headers, and other details. You specify the URL path, HTTP method, request parameter, header, and other details. Second one is the get mapping. So these annotation is used to map get HTTP get a request to specify method. It is specified version of the request mapping with the request method dot get method already set. Then we use post mapping. This annotation used to map the HTTP post request to specify method. It is specified version of a request mapping. Request method dot post method already set. So third one is a put mapping. This annotation is used to map HTTP put request a specified method. It is a uh, specialized version of the request mapping with the request method dot put method already set. Fifth one is the delete mapping. So these are notation used to HTTP delete request to specify method. It is a specialized version of a request mapping with the request method dot delete method already set. So these are the information about the mapping in Spring Boot Java. Last one discuss about the patch mapping. So these annotation used to HTTP patch request to specify method. It is a specialized version of request mapping with the request method dot patch method is already set. To use annotation, we know you need the define a class as a controller and annotate with the request controller or controller method within the controller class are then annotation we one of the mapping annotations method about to handle specific request. So thank you so much.